Why do we dream? Do you ever wonder why you dream of falling, flying, or being chased by an angry mob of talking cats? Well, your dreams may not have any hidden meaning, but they serve an important purpose. They can help us process emotions, practice problem solving, and prepare for dangerous situations. Or they might just be our brains randomly firing. Here are a few theories to explain why we spend almost a third of our lives asleep and dreaming. To understand why we dream, it helps to know what happens in our brains when we're awake. Our brains process and store information through a network of billions of neurons. Neurons are like the cells in our body. They have a cell body with a nucleus that contains all the genetic material and other structures that keep the neuron alive. And they have long, thin extensions called axons that connect to other neurons. The connections between neurons allow us to think, feel, and do. When we learn something new or experience something novel, new connections form between neurons, or existing connections become stronger. This is called neuroplasticity. It's how we make memories and learn new skills. It even allows us to change the way we think and behave. So why does this happen at night while we dream? One theory is that dreams help us process emotions. We all experience a range of emotions from happiness to sadness, anger to fear. Emotions are processed in different parts of the brain, including the amygdala, which is responsible for processing negative emotions like fear and anger. The amygdala activates during REM sleep, the stage of sleep when we dream. It's possible that dreams provide a safe space for us to express and process these emotions without the risk of physical harm. This may be why people who have nightmares often wake up feeling anxious or afraid. By processing these emotions in our dreams, we're able to wake up feeling refreshed and ready to face the day. Another theory is that dreams help us practice problem solving. When we dream, our brains are highly active. This means that we're able to think creatively and come up with solutions to problems that we couldn't solve while we were awake. For example, let's say you're trying to write a paper but you're stuck on the introduction. You might try to write it while you're awake, but your mind just isn't able to come up with the right words. You go to sleep and dream about writing papers. In your dream, you're able to write the perfect introduction, and you wake up feeling confident and ready to finish the paper. Dreams may also help us prepare for dangerous situations. Our brains are constantly monitoring our environment for potential threats. Even when we're awake, we're more likely to notice potential threats than opportunities. This is called the negativity bias. It's thought that dreams may help us overcome the negativity bias by allowing us to safely experience potential threats in a controlled environment. For example, let's say you're afraid of public speaking. You might dream about giving a presentation to a large audience. In this dream, you're able to experience the anxiety of public speaking in a safe environment. This may help you overcome your fear so that you can feel more confident the next time you have to give a presentation. Finally, another theory is that dreams are just our brains randomly firing. There's no meaning behind them. They're just a byproduct of our brains trying to make sense of the random neural activity that occurs during REM sleep. If this is true, then everyone's dreams should be equally random and make no sense. But most people don't report dreaming of things that are completely random. So there's probably more to dreams than just random brain activity. In conclusion, we don't know exactly why we dream, but they probably serve an important purpose. They may help us process emotions, practice problem solving, and prepare for dangerous situations. So the next time you find yourself dreaming of falling, flying, or being chased by an angry mob of talking cats, know that your dreams are probably trying to help you in ways you can't even imagine. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share. It helps me make more videos like this. Thanks for watching. See you next time.